has issued Tornado Watch number 294, effective until 0100 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following county: Marshall, Kansas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 294 has been issued from 5:25 p.m. until 1 o'clock a.m. Tuesday for the following county: Marshall, Kansas.
I'm sorry, what?
This message